Friends, good morning. I am going to speak about the Mauryan period. Maurya period was characterized by two prominent kings. One was Chandragupta Maurya, second one was Ashoka. Chandragupta Maurya was the first emperor of India. Chandragupta Maurya embraced Jainism in Sravana towards the end of his life. Arthashastra and Indika gives us insight into Maurya period. Arthashastra is written by Kaudilya and Indika is written by a Greek traveler known as Megasthenes. Ashoka is the heroic figure in this period. He repented after the famous victory in Battle of Kalinga in Orissa. He spread Buddhism to the other parts of India and other parts of Asia. He sent his son Mahendra and daughter Sangamitra to Sri Lanka to spread the Buddhism. He appointed many officers to promote Buddhism. Mauryan period is remarkable for Buddhism and Jainism. Thank you very much.